In this video lecture, I would be discussing about a problem which is generally given on a TAMPI level. Though there are several videos which have been already uh, given in this YouTube channel to know how to solve problems that are generally given on TAMPI level. This is also another type of problem which we need to focus on and discuss. So let us see what is the problem. The problem given is that there are certain readings which were taken with a TAMPI level on a continuously sloping ground. The readings are as follows, and it is asked to enter these readings in a level field book, and we need to calculate the reduced level of all the points, and we need to apply the arithmetic check. Another thing which is given here is that the first reading on BM, the RL of which is 380.00 meter. So first we need to tabulate these readings in a field book properly. So after tabulation, this is the situation. The first reading is entered as BS and there are no change points. So all the consecutive readings will be successively recorded in the intermediate size site column, and the last reading will be recorded as force site, that is FS 2.150. So all these readings have been tabulated and one reduced level has been given, that is 380.00, that is the first reduced level at the first station. So first we will calculate the rise and fall in order to find out the reduced level of the rest of the given stations. So the rise and fall can be easily calculated by subtracting the successive value from the preceding one. These calculation has been already explained in my previous videos, so no need of explaining here. After calculating all the rise and fall, we will just subtract or add with the given reduced level value at the first station. If it is a fall value, we will subtract it, and if it is a rise value, we will add it. So in this way, by adding and subtracting, we will get the reduced level of all the stations. And after doing so, we will calculate the total of BS, total of FS, total of rise and total of fall to obtain the arithmetic check. So here is the arithmetic check. We will subtract total FS from total BS. We will subtract total fall from total rise. We will subtract the first RL from the last RL. And so the result is minus 0.6. So arithmetic check done. Then we will calculate reduced level by collimation method. So the first starting point, there will be the height of collimation will be calculated at the first starting point. There are no change points, so there is no need of calculation of height of collimation for the other stations. The height of collimation is easily obtained by adding 1.550 with 380.00, which is 381.55. So after obtaining the height of collimation at the first station, we will subtract the IS or the FS from it to get the reduced level of the other stations. So it has been calculated. Already summation of BS and total of FS has been calculated. So just we need to perform the arithmetic check. This is the formula which has been applied for calculating the height of collimation or the reduced level. So we need to remember all of these. The arithmetic check for height of collimation method is total BS minus total FS equal to last RL minus first RL, which is minus 0.6. So this is the way of solving this type of problem if it is given in the exam. We need just to follow these steps to solve the problem.